welcome to Vlogmas Day 9. After a busy week with the poorly household, I decided that I was going to re-edit and do a voiceover on one of my old Christmas videos. We are decoupaging jars to make candle holders. It's super simple. All you need are napkins and some glue and some glass jars. You can use any design of napkin, but my children chose the Christmas tree napkin, so I just chopped them up into squares to make it easy for them to apply to the glass. So you put your glue on, your PVA glue, whatever you've got, and once you've stuck your napkin onto the jar, then you seal it by putting another layer of glue on top. And you just build this up all around the jar until you're satisfied that it's covered. This is a great craft for young ones and old ones like myself. Yeah, you can even turn these into little gifts or do what we do and use them as decorations each year. Even my son, who was 3 at the time, 3 or 4, got involved, and yeah, his turned out great. You don't have to be particularly crafty. It's hard to go wrong with these, and with the candles in, it just makes a beautiful effect. And if you were gifting these, you could even fashion a little handle out of some craft wire. Thanks for watching.